In this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and then send it to another wallet. First, open up your Cash App. On the home screen, tap the icon in the bottom left corner to access your money options. From there, select Bitcoin. You'll see the Bitcoin graph along with an option to buy. Tap Buy Bitcoin, then enter the amount you want to purchase. You can start with as little as $1, but for this example, let's just do $5. Confirm your purchase, and just like that, you now own some Bitcoin inside Cash App. Now let's send it to another wallet. Staying on the Bitcoin screen, look for the little arrow icon and tap it. Then choose Send Bitcoin. You'll see your available Bitcoin balance. And below that, you can enter the exact amount you want to send. Make sure the number you type in is less than or equal to the amount you have available. Once you're ready, tap Send. Next, Cash App will ask where you want to send it. This is where you paste the Bitcoin wallet address of the person or wallet you're sending to. Bitcoin addresses are long strings of letters and numbers, so always double check that the address matches exactly. Select it, confirm, and hit Next. At this point, you'll get to choose the transfer speed. If you want it processed quickly, you can select Priority. Once you confirm, Cash App will show you the withdrawal details. And after you press Done, your Bitcoin is officially on its way to the other wallet. And that's it. That's how you buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send it to another wallet. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.